Meet my candy machine.
Wow! Woohoo! Candy, I like candy.
Wow!
I also want candy. Please, Daddy, share.
Yes, sure. Wait a minute. Did you clean your rooms?
Oopsie.
Yeah! Uh-oh.
How can we clean all of this? I have an idea.
Mmm. Aha!
Yeah! Thank you.
Yeah!
Dasha, let's go get some candy. Yeah. Daddy, we finished our cleaning.
Well done. Take your sweets.
Aha!
Here you go.
Is that all?
Okay, I'll give you a little bit extra. What's happening?
Eh? Huh?
Wait a minute.
Oops. Let's go eat. Woohoo! It's so yummy.
Huh?
I love candy. Where did you get them? Daddy gave us. Let's run to Daddy. Yeah! I want candy.
Sure. But did you clean up after your dog?
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
What has Luke done?
Not a big deal. We will get it quickly together.
Aha! Aha! Uh-oh. Ah! Aha!
Woohoo! Yeah!
Done.
It's a for candy.
Sure, I'll give you it in a second.
Wow! Can I also have this drink?
Have you finished your work?
Wait a minute. Daddy, help!
What's up, girls? You scared me!
Eh? Huh? Huh?
me. I need to have a drink. What would you like to drink?
This one.
Ooh.
This one.
Okay. Here you go.
Yeah!
I'm thirsty.
Aha.
What? Drinks? I also want cola.
No, Coke is for adults.
Idea. What's this? I'm so thirsty.
Wait a minute.
Aha.
We also want juice.
Yeah, sure.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
We're out of juices.
Not a big deal.
Oh, I completely forgot. I have to go to wash my car.
Daddy, can we help you?
Drinks are over. But will you help me anyway?
We help you not because of sweets, but because we're family. Family members should help each other.
Wait for me!
Soap water. The mustard is ready.
We need some water, guys.
Yay!
Be careful, guys. Step out. And it's time to take a shower for a car.
Aha.
Who wants to try?
Me.
Finally, we did it!
Yay!